Okay. Everyone able to see my screen?
Recording in progress.
Okay. So everyone sent a mails, right? Tasks. So I'm copying from the mails. Ram,
Sir, I have sent again twice, sir. So could you please see for
twice. Why?
First time it did not copy it from Word. Sir, second one, yeah.
Remove, right? I think I copied correct one. Only. Two tasks you did, yeah? 1 and 2. Correct? Okay. Balaji.
Sir, I will send two, sir. So once check on another one also I will send once you check.
Okay. Section. Don't send me at least in the body of the mail. So confusing. Send me in any Word document that is. And directly code you have, right? SAS code. You will save anyway this code, right? You send me, you can attach me and you can send me directly. I can open easily. If you copy the body of the mail, you have to copy everything. It's very difficult. This is Kishan. Okay, Kishan, you sent it in, that's right? You also. Okay. Sadly. That's it, sorry.
Yes, for second one, I didn't understand how to get that column, so I've done only 2 tasks.
Okay, Manasa. The variables list. Next. Adding of variables. Okay. Decline. Okay. With 3 things you can send me in one mail only. Like 3 attachments. Everyone try to send like
Yeah,
this
okay, Sadesh.
See, everyone try to send in this format, right? SAS format. If we download, if we click, it will open it directly. Okay. If you want to reference, you can add in the top or bottom. You write your name and you can comment it, so I can easily recognize this stuff. Okay. Okay. Run this. Because going forward, I still have so many tasks to do. what idea I give. So that's the reason. Archana. Yeah, it's easy for me. See, task 1, task 2, task 3. Simple. One mail, you have all the 3 tasks. Mehboob. Okay. Hmm. Okay, Deepa. Fine. Next. Is descending of salary extra we discussed, right? Not good. That's it. Okay, Ram. Already copied your code. Okay. Here. What is the first task I gave? Next day. Is on proc contents, right? So what is the task I gave? Very simple task. Consider any data set and create a new data set with alphabetically sorted variables list from the base data set. Consider any data set. New data set was written. Okay. Let's see how many are done. Okay. Proc content task one done, Ram. No, you haven't done. Use this. Who's got this? Kishan.
No, that's not mine.
Sir, it's mine.
Whose name?
Balaji.
Balaji. Okay, tell me,
Sir,
Balaji, what you
another one
understand?
also.
What do you understand from the task?
No, sir, variable can change the name, sir. It's I don't understand, sir. But
Okay, you tried something. What you
yes,
tried? And tell me what you understand the task. Let it be whether you got output. Okay, you tried enough. What you understand from the task? So there's a class data set you created. Then you write a content. You got a content of the data set in the form of data set form. What I asked. What is the question?
variables names in alphabetical orders.
Alphabetically ordered. See, if you observe in the data set, here you have already variables names that are available in the alphabetical order.
Yes, sir,
Age.
but
Hmm.
I think in once open the class, sir.
Open the class. Sir.
Here, sir, a data set.
Okay.
I think in name sex is like that. This type of only DS constant will become like that only, Anna.
అర్థం కాలేదు మీరు చెప్పండి మంచి క్లియర్ చెప్పండి
అంటే ఇప్పుడు క్లాస్ అనేది సేమ్ ఇలాగే వచ్చింది కదా సార్. డిఎస్ కాన్స్టెంట్ కూడా నేమ్ సెక్స్ ఏజ్ అనేది ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్ లో పెట్టమన్నారు కదా సార్. సో ఇదే అవుట్పుట్ తో అలాగా వస్తుందా రాదని నా డౌట్ సార్. సేమ్ ఇదే డేటా సెట్.
ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ వేరియబుల్స్ నేమ్స్ ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్ వచ్చాయి కదా మళ్ళీ ఏంది
ఇలాగ వచ్చాయి సార్.
నేను అదే
ఈ
అడిగాను.
వే ఆఫ్ అండ్ నేను ఈ వే ఆఫ్ లో రావాలేమో అని అనుకున్నాను.
I was clearly mentioned it was alphabetical order only.
యా సార్.
It's already there in the alphabetical order. You have nothing, you have to do it. Okay, very simple. Only one step you have to do it. That variables, there are 40 variables here. Okay, if you check in the log, there are 40 variables are there. All the 40 variables are not required. Are required only this variable alone. This is my requirement. Correct? How can I bring this variable alone in my output data set? I need only this output because all this information is not required. Lib name, length, when it is created, when it is modified. Okay, all this information is not required for me. This information alone, this variable alone, this column alone is required.
ఓకే.
How can I keep this column alone in my output data set? What I have to use?
Proc content I use, sir.
No, you understand my question. You got DS underscore content data set, right?
Yes, sir.
Now I need this column alone, this variable alone in my output data set. What I have to do? There are 40 columns are there. 40 variables are there. The 40 variables are not required. Only this one variable is required. What I have to do it to keep only this one column in my output data set. Clear or no?
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir. But
Okay. Okay. So unless you understand, right? What I asked.
yeah, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. You think now. Any others? Anyone tell me?
We have to use keep.
Simple, right? You have 40 variables. I need only one variable from that. I can keep only one variable. What is the variable name? See, observe here. Name is variable name is name. This is label. Variable name space name is label. Okay, we were not supposed to use label in your code. Always we have to use a name only, variable name only. Okay, don't confuse anyone. So what I have to use? Keep name. Only that variable alone will come in the output data set. Done. See. Okay, by default, remember always data set will display in a labels only. Here you can see the view option, right? In a view, columns labels. If you default it, tick the columns label. Labels only will print it. If you click the column names, names will display. Okay. See, this is my output data set requirement. Done. Okay, clear. This is the first task. Straightforward, very simple. You no need two data sets also. Directly you can take it from here. From SAS and class data set, you are creating the new data set. Called DS underscore content. Here you are keeping only name variable. Done. That's the first task. Okay. Just I'm adding the notes as well. Clear everyone? First task. Anyone did in any other way?
Sir, just I want to know, sir, regarding the first task, sir, the first task, I thought like that the variable names that should be in a class data set, that should be in a alphabetical order.
Yes.
Like,
I don't want observations, okay? I don't want observations only. I thought you are asking, you are doing like first age variable. Here only
Yes.
variables will come.
Observations also, I need observations also, that should be reflected in data set, right, sir? Along with the variables.
That's what observations are not required here. in this requirement.
Okay, so I was trying to do like observations as well as the
Yes,
variables.
sir. Me also try
Uh,
like that, sir. So that's
Okay,
the
at least you could have tried that one. What you tried that one then? Tell
but
me.
I did not get that, sir, how to do. So I suppose, sir, for my question is like, so do I get do I want to get
so on
observations as well.
observations also
So in
like
the
only variables can alphabetical order, sir. So on observations like that and so on the alphabetical order.
How observations? I didn't get you. So
no, sir, my question is like, if I want to get observations as well as variables, for variables, I want to rearrange the columns in alphabetical order. So how do I
okay.
need to do? I have tried for that, but I did not get.
Okay. Use a retain statement, right?
Okay.
For example, set class data set. I already explained retain statement, right? And a retain statement mention the variables in which order you want. Age you want first, then height you want.
In that case, there are number of variables. So there are more than 10-15 variables that we cannot sit and write now, sir. In that case, how we can do?
So that's no other option. Retain statement only you have to keep it in order.
That's what I have tried almost 2 hours to do that, but I did not get.
You don't have
Yeah.
option, you have to do it. Okay, using
Okay,
proc
sir.
content, get the list, you copy the list here.
Okay. Now I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, in the proc content, you'll get a list, right? Copy that list, paste it here. You don't need to sit and write also. Now also I'm not writing. It's already there, the list. I'll copy this list. I'll paste it in my code. Done? Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
You have a retain statement. I know you guys know retain statement. That's why I didn't give the task. So my question was so clear. I need a only variables list. I could have mentioned only. Clear? Yesterday, while discussing also, I explained I don't want observations. I want only variables. Okay. So clear now, everyone? First task. Let's move to the next task. Okay. From the below input data set, age groups, create a new data set. It should contain variables name, age group. Okay. So this is my input data set. Okay. And the next task is very simple task. That's from SASL class data set. You have to M and F replace it with them. Okay, fine. Sorry. Very sorry. Yeah. So yes, Ram. We'll finish it for one by one. So you created one format called age underscore, and you are applied that here. Okay. Then later. Okay. Name and age you took it. Sorted the both the data set. You merge the code. Okay. Okay, you got output data set. That's fine. That's fine, Ram. I'll tell you one better way. Okay. I'll show you for others will do it. See, you took it the raw data set 2 times. I gave only 1 time. That to my raw data set contains, if you observe, name and age variable, correct? So this is my raw data set. Here you change the variable name. I did not change the variable name here. Correct?
Sir.
So your data set, your raw data set should be only 1 data set. You took it 2 times. That's okay.
Sir.
I'll show you others how other site, other state. Okay. The best method I'll show you. And the task to send a mail, right? Okay, age group you created and you apply the ratio. Okay. You created age underscore. Here you
Four as
apply
more topics are there, underscore, yeah. Age group yeah.
So your class underscore wherever number element is, it's a male and female. Okay, fine. Fine, Ram. So these two tasks are fine. Okay. Next, Balaji. Okay, created the gender and where M and F replaced. So see the log class. Okay. Proc formats is spelling wrong. Are you checking the log?
Yeah, sir. FRM8 format is like that. Error shown. Sometimes error is shown.
It's spelling wrong. F4 5 even. Okay. So the class one data set, you could have male and female. Okay. Fine. Next. Okay. Age underscore format you have created. Format you have created. What is this? You created the age underscore and you applied age group.
Another mail also I will send, sir. This is actually some errors is there. So
Then only once what is finalized. Okay. Where is your input data set? So run
input
this.
check.
Where is your input data set?
Not copies, sir. So that's why in another mail.
You sent only one mail for me. It's okay. Let's move to others. Okay. Next time send properly. It's okay. Understand. You sorted, you merge it, you renamed. That's correct. What you did correct. The same total like it without and okay. Next, Kishan. Okay. Yes, Kiran. Kishan, you also understand the first task as all the observations you want. You did GDPR content. There is the output data set. Output data set with the list of variables. Kishan, are you clear now?
Yes. And so I actually did that way as well, that keep equals name. Then I thought, no, you are looking for all the variables. So that's why I kept everything and then just delete the keep equals name.
Okay, this is not required for me. It's not that I'm printing map house, but the only data set. Okay.
Yeah.
Just keep. Okay. Next. So this is the input data set. We created the format. Okay, you rename. So you applied a proc format, right? Why again you are taking the raw data? So already data set is created right here.
Yes.
If you could have smart enough, you could have write a set statement. Set input data set, right?
Application.
Why all this raw data again? Already you created a data set. And this also not required. Simple. This looks correct now.
Yes.
From the input data set, you are creating the Kishan one data set. While you are creating, you are applying the format and you rename your variable to change to age group. Okay, then later you merge the both. Okay. So you okay, I haven't run your age group. And one more. We do not check the code, do not check the log. It's not date, it's a date data sort data. Sort data. Hmm. After run the code, did you check the log?
Yes, I have. And yeah, I don't know. It's weird because I'm sending two different things. Like I'm using two laptops. So don't know.
Let me run your own code again. Run the code. Okay. Right. This is your class 2 data set. Name age. Fine. Okay. Just minor mistakes, you just take care. Bottom looks fine. Next. Okay. This is a simple one. You created gender and you have to apply. Okay. Fine. This is also fine, Bishop. Just small corrections. Okay, take care of this.
Okay.
Extra the also the installation. Let me add this one in the notes as well. Looks fine. So another. Next. Sadhvi. Okay. First one, good Sadhu. Yes, you have to use a keep statement. So you understand the plan correctly. Second isn't understand, third one. Okay. That also. So you are getting quotes also. Quotes not required, right?
Okay.
Use this one. Double quotes. You use your round quotes. Okay, it's coming correctly now. Right. Second task, you understand, right, Sadhu? These two are fine.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Use code.
Yeah, it's mine, Sudarshan. Manasa.
Yes, Manasa.
Yeah, can you please take the first two steps for this one? Actually, I copied it wrongly.
No. Can you repeat?
So in this page, you're getting some, for task one, first two steps, it is okay, right? So I copied it wrongly. So second task also, it come in this page.
Okay.
Yeah, can you please
Yeah,
run
yeah,
the
got
first two
it,
steps?
got it. This
Yeah,
is
please
your
delete
second
that.
task.
Yeah, yeah.
This is your task. Okay. Okay. What you did wrong, well, this is fine. Okay. Actually, you understand correctly. You got
Okay.
a variable names. You could have get one warning. What is this warning?
Has never been referenced. The
The
variable,
variable has never been referenced. Means, see, you are right. You are copying the label. That's what I'm doing.
oh, okay.
You copied the label. You haven't copied the data as a variable name. So this is label, right? Variable
Variable.
name. Variable name is the label. So
Okay.
now what SAS will treat here? It will treat as a variable as a one variable name as also one variable name.
Okay.
Okay. Don't copy the label, copy the variable.
Sure. Okay, sir.
Okay. So just remove the variable. It's a name.
Okay.
You will get the correct output. See, DS2. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Next, second task. Format created, applied, renamed, merged. Okay. Good. So this is what I expected from everyone. You have to rename it because your both the data sets have a same variable age only. So if you rename age and age groups, both will display in your output data set. Okay. Okay, got some warnings. Okay. Input data set WL. Which is input underscore days. Name, age groups.
Age.
Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, this is also fine.
Okay.
Next. Vandit. Yes, Vandit.
Resolution. I didn't understand the first task properly, and I actually missed that portion of the lecture yesterday too, so I didn't know what exactly is needed. So I tried something different. I didn't create a new data set as well. I did proc print and adjusted.
Proc print not required. To get the
Hmm.
new data set, you have to write out statement.
Yeah,
Okay.
and
you
then
have to use
yeah,
data set name and keep. Okay.
got it.
And I don't have Vandit library. Okay. Create in a work library before you're sending to me. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Next task. Data set was there. Created a format. And yes.
Instead
While
of set statement, I did it again.
Again. Yeah, got it.
And sorted it.
Sorted and then you merged.
Merge.
Okay. I'm not executing because you used one dot.
Yeah.
So it will work. Okay. That task. Okay. Okay. Fine. That also done. Looks fine. Next. Okay. Proc contents, content by name. Again, why you sorted? It's already sorted there, right? Archana, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is already sorted, but I
Cannot, right?
oh,
Okay. You do it in the 2 steps. Try to reduce the steps. 1 step is enough.
Oh,
And you
okay.
need to print it. You do print. Very small. Only data set I asked, data set is enough. Even no need to print the output in the as well. Okay. Anyway, you did correct, but I was telling the sum. Simple
Okay,
way.
okay. Right.
Okay.
And every time the data will be sorted, like in the contents, the given data will be sorted in alphabetical order, sir.
Yes, that is the
Every
nature of pro content. By default, it will be sorted identically.
alphabetically.
Age groups. Okay, created the age groups data set, created a format, applied a format, and you rename it, and then you merge the both the data sets by name. Okay. So age groups. Age groups. Okay. Okay, fine. Looks fine. And this gender you created and just renamed M and F, male and female. Okay, male and female. Okay, fine. Not done any minor updates edit. Okay, fine, Archana, good. Next. Mahabub. Yes, Mahabub.
I have not written keep statement in task 1, sir.
Why no space print? It's a no print.
No print.
You
Okay.
give no space print. Okay. Use a keep statement. Okay. That's the first task.
Yeah.
So you will get a class sort. Okay.
Okay.
Second task, you created a class data set, created a in value. You created a in value and you applied a format. What does that mean?
Sir. That is in format and this is format, na sir.
You created a in format and you applied a format. How it will work? Did you run the program and did you check the log? Format spelling was wrong.
Okay.
See, you created an in format, you try to apply the format here. It won't work actually. Okay.
Okay.
This is what I asked. I told you in the call also. Remove the in value in format, remove the in. In one place you remove.
Okay.
Format spelling was wrong. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
You read the log, okay. You will understand so many things there itself.
Okay.
Okay. Here see, file work run does not exist. You missed a semicolon here. Why you're not reading the log? Okay. In the log only you have every information.
Okay.
Assuming the symbol of format is misspelled as a format. Spelling mistake it is. Okay. Everyone, not only for you, so I'm telling everyone, try to read the log. Read the log, you will get to understand. Next time also, you can easily identify your mistakes. Okay. Next. Okay, age groups data set. A run statement only is not there. Renamed age to age group. What is this age space group? Age space age group.
Age equal to age groups, no, sir.
Then you wrote age equal to age group, age and age group. How to use a rename statement? Hmm? How to use the rename statement?
Rename variable name which has to equals to which has to variable has to be changed, sir.
We're not supposed to use here. Okay. Rename age to age.
Here, there itself, yes, sir.
Then you could have got error. You're not rectified there. So don't simply write a code. Okay. After writing every step, run and check your output window. Sir, you check your log. Your log is clean or not, and you're getting the expected output not or not. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Age group.
Okay, sir.
It was renamed. So every step you write, execute, check the log, check the output data set. It's coming correctly or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Both are clear. So do the small mistakes. Okay. Continue your practice. These mistakes will reduce automatically.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Yeah.
please repeat that X and Y concept once in merging. Someone wrote XY concept, right? That full join in that
Yeah, you can
concept.
do it. See, directly merge it, you can do it. No, I'll write like in is equal to X. In is equal to Y. Okay. If X or Y, or if X and Y, here both the meaning same only here. Okay, full join or inner join. Combining salary data set topic we discussed, right?
Yes, sir. But even that day also I asked why, like anything we can write there in the place of X, right?
In the place of X, you can write anything. Okay, you can write A,
Anything
B,
and
C. You can write M and O. Anything you can write. You can write any name. You write
Actually,
M
what
and
consider, sir, in the data set?
so,
In age
see,
group, what will take?
the meaning is here, instead of applying the left join or inner join or right join, instead of applying directly on the data set, I'm taking one an alias name, one alternative name I'm taking.
For
On
that
that
data set.
alternative name you are applying.
Okay. Otherwise, we can write as age group, age underscore group or group 2. We can write like that. Can we write like that? You are taking alias name, right, sir? Now here, M is equal to M.
So
Can
what
we
you
write
write?
age underscore groups or no, remove that, sir.
Age underscore groups underscore.
No. You just take merge age groups like that. Keep it like that only. Don't write in. Here, if age underscore groups or group 2, can we write like that?
No, that's what you could have write it. I could have write it like this, right?
Okay.
You are not supposed to apply directly on the data set.
Okay, so we have to take the alias name definitely. Like right. Okay.
Correct. So very simple. Logically think. Okay, you'll write some conditions, right? Every time you write some conditions, right? If conditions, then expressions you are writing. Correct. Need any time in the condition, you'll write some variable names. Correct.
Yes.
Something name is equal to age is equal to 20. Age less than 20. Something. Some X greater than Y, X greater than 30. You are taking the variable names only. Did you anytime take the data set name?
No, no, no.
When you write a data set name, okay, data set greater than 20. What is the meaning of data set greater than
No.
20? It
Okay.
doesn't have any meaning, right? That's the
Yes.
reason. So we are taking some alternative name and you are applying that one. Okay,
Okay.
that
Okay.
this concept, this alias concept will work only here only. Don't work anywhere. Okay.
Okay. Fine, sir. Thank you.
And the next task is suppose Deepa. Yes, Deepa. Only one you did? Okay. Sorry. It is there in the book. The age groups data set you created. Okay, A1 is your input data set. You have created a format. Yep. Here also used a start array. So instead of merging, you use the set commands. That's also fine. It is also fine. Data. Name, age one. Okay. It looks good. Next, B1. From B1 to B2 data set you created. Okay. That's also fine. Third one. Okay, you also are not understand the task. Okay, I'm not asked for a print it and not asked for it. Sorting, okay, asked a prop content. Okay, just rectify this one, that task. Remaining looks good. Okay, and Deepak?
So could you explain once again this one, sir?
Which one?
That set statement. She has run with set statement.
Okay, she did using set statement. Okay, set also will be the same, right? What is this method? One-to-one reading.
Merging.
No, it's a one-to-one reading.
Ah.
Now
One-to-one
your
reading.
A1, now A1 data set, A2 data set you have. Common variable is name only. Okay. But you are doing one-to-one reading. What is one-to-one reading? XYZ and XYZ. It will combine. So it will take age one. One-to-one. First observation from first data set. First observation from the second data set. Let me show you. Yeah. It's like one-to-one reading. First observation, first observation. Your output will come like this. First observation, XYZ, 2 and infant. Second observation, GHI, 18 teens. Third observation, ABC, 19 teens. Like this. One-to-one reading method. Because here both the data set have equal number of observations and also it is there in the same order. You can apply one-to-one reading method. Correct?
Okay.
So both are fine. Clear others also? In this scenario, you can apply one-to-one reading method as well. Instead of merging. Okay. So that's it. So I check for everyone codes. Anyone pending?
No, sir.
For anyone, 700 said anything? Okay. Fine then. So we'll consolidate 9 today. No problem. Good, everyone is practicing. So those who haven't started practicing or not started doing, okay. Please do it. Okay, Swati, I haven't received a mail from you. You are not well, so please do it. Okay, I think most of you sent today. That's good. Okay, so continue the same momentum. So to practice next 10-15 days, same way, we'll complete the base and advance. Then we'll move to clinical SAS. Because in clinical SAS, I'll give the project. Okay, it's the same way you have to do the project as well. Okay, so for that, I'm starting a new topic today. Monday, I'll start a new topic. Okay, we'll finish the remaining processes. Okay, thank you. Thanks, everyone.
Recording
Thank you.
stopped.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.